While each person can set notifications for themselves in Google Sheets, the more powerful notifications are the newer conditional push notifications. Why? Let me show you. Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem. So what are the superpowers of conditional push notifications in Google Sheets tables? You see, in the past, you had to ask collaborators to set up change notifications for themselves in Sheets so they would get alerted about changes that were made and act on the next steps. Now, you can set up push notifications to your team members. In your Google Sheets table, look for the lightning icon and click it. Then click Create a new conditional notification. After that, you can define what content should trigger an email and decide who needs to be notified. As of December 2025, you can set up to 20 notification rules per Google Sheets file. You can send notifications to maximum 10 emails per rule. And notifications to group emails don't work at the moment. You can, however, set up different rules for different tabs. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website, www.cloudgem.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time.